bitch ass nigga. Hi, nigga.
You was like a Pokemon, nigga.
Yo, YouTube. What's going on, y'all? You can see this crack ass in the morning, yo. We out here early. Just doing some research, doing my drop shipping, my day trading, all of that. All the normal stuff that I be doing. But this video right here, first video, 22 views, something small. I fuck with it. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. We already up 5 subscribers, so that's hard. But yeah, we got hella car content in this video. I got a really cool group of car friends out here in C-Town. We're gonna get out here, we're gonna make some videos. I got Bo coming, cameraman as usual. You already know him. Bro, look at that, bro. This shit looks amazing. Hold on. Damn. Could you imagine seeing this when you made it? That shit would be lit. I guess we're gonna go ahead and cut to the part of the video where we starting up. I'm going to get Bo. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later today. Peace. Yo, we got them on the highway type shit. I'm just updating y'all on the day, bro. I've been awake all morning. I have not gotten any sleep. Like I just left the dentist, yo. Like my teeth are feeling crazy right now. And I just still got more shit going on today. So we just gonna keep the moves going. Honestly, at this point. I'm gonna let y'all know when shit start going down. Peace.
What we doing today, Ronnie? What we doing?
Yeah, we just a couple of, I would say like a good 10-20 minutes away from meeting up with the car guys, and then we're gonna do a couple of rolling races, and yeah, some crazy shit's gonna go down. It's gonna be fun, and yeah, right now spinning through for a side quest, but hold on, let me give y'all a little rev. Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's the next day. All right, I can explain. We'll explain. All right, so basically, what happened was yesterday, I got way too tired. Like I kid you not. I went to go hang out with Bo at Bo's crib. We got us some eats. Is that me? Is that my car? That is my car. Okay. So yeah, me and Bo, we got some eats, we chilled, and then next thing you know, I just crashed, yo. So I've been pulling an all-nighter. So yeah, I appreciate all of the love, yo. I appreciate all of it. I feel like feeling already like it's just gonna be a good year when it comes to making the videos, and you know, I just gotta stay consistent with editing, and who knows where we're gonna be in the next year. We could be up.
We lose a racing in the car.
Making glizzies. Oh nah. So we are gonna go hang out with the car people soon. I don't know what time exactly, but we are doing this today. We got Boski over here making himself some glizzies. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna start recording again when we step outside. How about that guy? Now I'm in here. Let's go. Yes sir. Hit that 93. Yes sir. Go ahead and put that in. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. We are refilling the car. Just screamed through the window. Yeah, we are sitting here at the gas station right now, refilling 93, most expensive gas in the world. And it just gets crazier because I have an SUV.
Guys, we're back.
Oh,
After hours of just
how did we get here?
chilling, man. You know?
I would love to swing my car around this, but
Should have swung your car around it. Take off! Get it in.
rip me out the plastic, I man.
Brand new.
You know, nigga in the cut, yo.
Bro, we've been expecting you.
We've been expecting you, Mr. Brown.
We've been expecting you. Ew, it's not 0.5. There we go. You weren't recording in 0.5.
0.5 dick eater?
Yeah, alright. Stop the glaze. 0.5 is just better for recording. We ain't been on shit. We've been in C-Town just chillaxing.
Right here, nigga, don't smoke none of that shit. That's that young boy shit, nigga. Get that shit up.
You, nigga,
My nigga.
recording.
I'm sorry.
Back up, nigga. Get out of here.
I'm sorry,
My nigga, me and my killer, nigga, I'ma send my baby mama at you, nigga. Yeah, I'ma get my baby mama head after you, nigga. I don't even need a nigga to go kill you, nigga. I'ma get my baby mama, nigga.
What's up with y'all boys?
They go kidnap you, nigga.
Y'all back up. Yeah, what you got in your hand, bro?
I'ma let my nigga double O handle your ass, nigga.
Yo, get back in there, nigga.
Nigga,
Before I really gotta.
What you saying?
I really.
Nigga, I put this shit on you,
Nigga,
asses, nigga.
Fuck
On
no.
the finest of asses, nigga.
Yo, this nigga slime. Yo, why y'all bugging? Why y'all fuck the camera?
Nigga, I was about to say, what the fuck?
Why y'all fucking with the cameraman, guys? I ain't get no love.
That gay ass nigga away from me. He the cameraman.
Come here.
He like recording shit. You like recording shit, nigga.
I love recording shit.
What you like recording the most?
You.
Nah, see, that's that gay shit, bro. Ain't gonna get this nigga away from me. What you say?
I just said him. He's my favorite person to record. And he just said, he said it was gay.
Matter of fact, back the fuck up, yo.
Come on, gang. I have to get in one way or another. I'm gonna get in. I'm back at it. What's up?
This y'all man?
Goose. Break his ankles. Oh, I broke his ankles. Nigga.
Ray, press the shit out you,
No,
nigga.
no.
What is you doing here? What is you doing here? What did you want?
I'm gonna record you.
Why?
Cause
You fucking weird, yo. Just called you a bitch,
He was
bro.
mad you ain't come and get him
I should
yesterday.
slap you, bro. We should fight right now.
Okay, nigga.
You called me gay.
Looking at it.
I have to disrespect you now.
I'm really about to get the crack. Nigga, you look like the Fortnite skin, nigga. You look like a soccer skin. I'm pulling that ass.
Saga skin. Nigga look like.
Dumbass
Nigga look like a slow ass nigga. You look like that nigga off of Ratatouille.
Oh, Remy. You look like Remy.
Hey,
You know the zebra from Madagascar? That's yours.
You know the nigga from Let It Shine?
That was good.
You look like a Pokemon, nigga.
You look
ass
like
nigga.
Blacktoise.
What? You should have said Niglet, yo.
Niglet?
That shit would have had me flying.
Nigga is
Bro,
crazy.
This nigga do look like what the fuck? Dude look like a Niglet. What the fuck?
This nigga do look like it, yo. What the fuck?
That nigga Ronny got the camera. This nigga actually really
You look like that shit.
This nigga ain't like a motherfucker.
That was funny as shit.
That was top 10.
What nigga?
A
Strong nigga.
Nigga, I was not ready for that. Yo, that was a curveball, yo. All right, y'all. This is the next day again. Oh my God, look at my hair. It looks crazy. We're doing a different color this time. This shit's kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so glad I decided to go back to black. But yeah, Bo has not seen it yet, so we're pulling up to his crib right now. He's not outside, so we're just gonna break into his house, right? That's how we usually do it. Just break into his house. All right, let's go. Mr. Brown.
Oh, your hair is purple.
My hair is purple.
Oh.
So
You low-key scared me. I was like, is that Corona or is that my dad?
yeah.
My dad never knows when I do it like that.
Really? Why you recording that nigga, yo? The fuck? Good, son. Rip me out the plastic. I've been feeling brand new. What? Do it again? Wait, what the fuck? Oh, nah.
I wasn't gonna kill you.
Alan.
Out of that video, there should be a murder.
Alan,
Stop it and watch the end right there.
say what's up, nigga.
What's up, gang?
We got Kadena. Alan, say what's up to the video.
What's good? What's good? It's your boy.
It's just a continuation of the video that's currently going on. But there's a new main quest.
How long is this video, bro?
Bro, this video's about to be like 20 minutes.
Yo, where are we?
It's about to be a long ass video.
Where are you?
Where are we? We in the back rooms, yo.
No, who am I? Who are you?
What again? Who, Bo? Yeah. Yo, that nigga Bo is a bitch, bro.
I don't like him, nigga.
Oh, God, you a whole ass nigga.
I really think you should.
Yo, bro. Yo.
Yeah, watch out. Hey, yo, watch out.
Oh, ass nigga.
Press the shit out.
Oh, ass nigga. Get him.
We wicked.
Get him. Chase him.
I got him, niggas. And you don't know. It's time.
Yo, that nigga Bo popped up.
This nigga look like the Enderman.
Oh, fuck ass no. Oh, I see, he turned on the light.
He's not it.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
How'd you bitch ass nigga? Hi, nigga. Yeah, run away. Run away. Run away.
Bitch ass nigga,
Bitch.
get your ass up off the car, nigga. Get your ass up off the car, nigga.
I'll whoop y'all ass, nigga. It's a 3-on.
Oh, shit. Oh, he fell.
I'm not taking it.
Now get him. Get him.
I really got ran down on. That shit was crazy.
Never gotten to honk my horn at somebody before. My bad.
Bro, we're recording. We're live on the scene in C-Town. Back at it again.
C-Town.
Tell them what we about to do.
On
What
that
we
shit
about to do.
always. We about to go pick up Cash Kai, Mr. High Kai himself. Also, intro song to the video. It's his song. That shit is hard. Go check him out on SoundCloud. I'm gonna have that shit up right now. Go check that out.
Yacht.
Yeah, he dropped some hard music. We're gonna be using him for the intros. That shit is hard. Keeps it lit. So yeah, but we about to go pick him up and then pulling up to a car meet with my nephew. We about to go make some connections before we make some car content tomorrow. That's where we go to the car dealership. So we got the car meet tonight. We got the car dealership tomorrow. And then on Monday, we got car races. So there's a whole bunch of stuff coming up. But like, yeah, we're gonna get it all in. It's gonna be tough. Let's go.
Right now, we're going to pick up Cash Kai. We about to go scoop him and then go to this car meet. I'm excited. Are you excited, Ronny? Hella excited. Hella shit coming.
That bitch is hard.
That bitch hard.
Oh, damn.
That bitch got the LEDs on that motherfucker.
Damn, that motherfucker hard.
Oh
Where's the
shit.
plate?
We got Cash Kai.
How the fuck you get in the back?
Who are you?
I be teleporting and shit. Yeah, me.
You can teleport?
Yeah, I be teleporting and shit. That's a strange skill, if I might add. Some niggas say it's strange skill. How'd you acquire? What about the grad? You know, just smoking that exquisite pack. Yeah.
Who got that drink?
Who got that drink? Who got that drink? Who got that drink?
Ooh. We almost at the car meet. We've arrived.
We have arrived. This shit is hard.
Nigga, is that a GT awesome?
Oh my god, nigga, where are we?
Oh yeah, you were born in Louisville, my bad. I forgot.
I was like
why Louisville? That was so random.
Like Louisville and Pittsburgh.
Oh
We here.
my god,
We
you
had to
close
meet.
as fuck, nigga. Back up,
Bro.
back up.
Hella cars.
Hella cars, yes,
Hella
there's hella
cars.
cars here. Yeah, these niggas did pull up deep as fuck, bro.
I'm scared to go over.
This shit is fire. Fuck y'all niggas. We out. Alright, so we here at the car meet. There's hella cars here.
I thought that was a drone in the sky.
American Muscle.
Oh, hell no.
Ugly ass nigga. I'm mad nigga. How you feeling, Twin?
You know, I'm chilling, you know. Looking at my future, you know. Type of shit.
Talking about that Chrysler. Stuff that Hellcat engine in there. Yes, sir. Oh my god.
And how you feeling?
Cool, nice little meetup.
Yes, sir.
Got my baby I'm finna go pick up tomorrow.
Sir, there's a lot finna be happening tomorrow. Bro, this is crazy. Oh my god, look at them headlights. This nigga said he feeling like Batman.
Either he's Batman or he's emo.
Me. Oh, hell no.
There's no in between.
Wait, what?
If I was emo, I'd put my dreads in my face and be like,
Oh hey,
Fuck the world. Good lord. 110% pure muscle, nigga.
real shit.
Shit sound nice. Oh my god, look at that baby. Yo, these cars look crazy. Look at that lined up. This is nothing.
But this
Besides-
is so much like.
Besides the BMW, hella Mopar. Look at all of that. All Mopar.
This is so much inspiration.
This is so much inspiration. Just sit there, look at it, and be like, I'm gonna beat him one day.
Bruh, like in a year or two, bro, it's gonna be me, a real shit, man.
Oh my god, it's gonna be all of us. I'm telling y'all, one day, I'm gonna sell the Audi, we'll buy a track hawk. When we get there, sell the Audi, I'm gonna buy a track hawk. Yeah, looking at this,
Make my track hawk green.
you gonna make your track hawk green,
You gonna
nigga?
have the green machine.
I'm a
Neon green hawk, nigga.
It's gonna be
Nigga
black. It's
gonna have that green
wheels
goblin.
Black. Brakes black. Everything all black.
What the fuck?
That's my fault. I'm just letting that nigga borrow.
Yeah, he coming back though. You gonna say that in his face?
Hell no, you gonna beat this shit. That's like. I'll say it right.
Listen to this baby. Listen to this shit. This shit is about to be crazy. Oh, is he going the other way? He is. It's cool though. Listen. That ass. Push that hoe. Oh, is he just coming back? You crashing that brand new cat?
Nah. I'm
You
about to
crashing
whip
that brand new
hoe.
cat?
That nigga's crashing that bitch 100%. That nigga.
Shitty ass driver, nigga.
I can really whip. You
Shitty
don't know
ass
me.
driver.
I drive.
No, you don't.
Last thing
What
you
you
gonna hear is
drive?
the whine when you
Huh?
die.
What you be driving, nigga? The only
got
whine
no
we
car.
hearing is the engine light, nigga.
I don't need no car.
What the fuck
I
you
do this
gonna
shit
whip
on
in,
my
nigga? Bro, these niggas are ready to roll out. This shit is hard. Got the Charger, Challenger, 300 scat, and another 300 scat. That shit is hard.
The fuck?
What are we doing?
How'd you get there? So shit, we're on the way to the muffler shop right now. We're about to have them straight pipe this bitch. All right, we're gonna unlock 100 pounds of straight beast in this V6. All right, we about to boost this car to 7 million horsepower right here, and there's one straight pipe. Shit's gonna be crazy. But yeah, we are on the way to the place right now. We're about like 30 minutes away. Yeah, it's gonna be a little drive, so we're gonna cut to when we get there.
All right, y'all. So we just pulled up here to the place. They about to open up the garage. We about to pull the car in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then we're gonna get this motherfucker straight pipe. This shit's about to be hard. It's about to be so tough. Yeah, I'm gonna get there when they start picking my car up. Let's get it. This is a bad idea.
This is a horrible idea. We should not be doing this. This is a horrible idea.
We doing it anyway though. Oh my. Yo, hearing that is crazy. Hearing that is crazy, bro. They are tearing down the pipe shaft. I can't see it. Yeah, they're breaking down the pipes. They're gonna have to make a new one for it, and then gonna slap it on this. We're gonna do it for 280. It's just gonna be fire. Let's do it. They're killing my car, man. They're killing it. The pockets are crazy, but you know. Yeah, this is no light task. So like, I love y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. And hit that subscribe and that like button. Am I right, Bo?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get that pipe back on. All right, Boski. Job is completed.
Shit easy, dude. We completed it.
Yeah. How did you think about when it first turned on?
It sounded good.
Sounding
Like
good.
the dude said, it sounded deeper.
Yeah.
It sounded way more rich. Now we're about to
Rich and
whip it.
filled. Yeah, they took the whole muffler off. Both of them. Both mufflers gone. And now we're just waiting because I paid the dude, but now he's just saying like the money didn't come through, so we're just kind of here.
Car sound beautiful. About to take off.
This car sounds fucking
About to take off.
sexy, nigga.
She sound way sexier now.
I'm barely even pressing on that gas, yeah.
Just wait till we actually get on the main road, or we hit the track. We got it. Hit the track. You gonna send it down here?
That's how my car sounds? Oh my god!
We didn't even go that fast.
Oh my god!
No.
What the fuck?
We went 30.
3, 2.
Started from the bottom, now we way up. We ain't game, boys. We're fucking flying down the road.
Crazy what a launch.
All right, y'all, we at the track. Just got here.
The track, we about to do a straight line. Let's see.
Holy shit.
That bitch sounds nice. It sounds nice. I'm fucking with it so hard.
Car sounding right.
Oh